Well, good morning, YouTube and my 93 subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And, well, it's Friday, coming up a bit past noon, about 12:30. And, well, I got a vest. I ordered it from Amazon. And it's all full of these bloody pockets. And I like that because, well, plenty of places to put stuff. I'm partial to vests and I'm partial to pockets. And I'm going to wear this through the airport on the way to the Philippines. Yeah, it lets you have a whole bunch of space to put stuff, and yeah, I got a bunch of weight I can put into this. At least that's my intentions. I just got it, so I'm not really too sure. It does fit, and it's quite comfortable. So I'm gonna start wearing it here to work and get used to it and get it broke in and everything. So yay that. Although I think the reason that they gave it to me at such a discount is because the zipper is backwards. This should have been on this side. And it does say it's a man's vest, so I'm wondering why I don't know. Maybe that's why it was only $13. But yeah, I'm okay with that. It's got pockets I can put things in, and there's plenty of them. So yay, I can almost get my phone in this front one right here. So that's a pretty good sized phone. So yes, it'll probably be going the what do you call it? The battery pack in there. So that way I can slide it through. Because apparently batteries are heavy, and yeah, they sometimes weigh carry-on bags to see if they're too heavy. It's okay. Mine will be when it gets on the airplane. Yeah. We'll see. Anyway, I haven't showed you yet. Okay, I'll show. I'll put them into. I'm gonna wear my teeth to work tonight. I had them in earlier, and I took them out. I'm having to get used to them. There's some painful spots, and I'm trying to. Yeah, we'll see how this works out. Anyway, I've got the dentures. I picked them up on Wednesday afternoon, and I ain't really good at doing that. Then I goofed up and messed up on getting my stuff put out on time. Anyway, life happens. Still trying to keep up this daily thing, and yeah, some days things don't want to work right. Power went out. I don't even remember what I was saying when the power went out. Yeah. All I know is power went out and I wasn't able to get the thing out on time. So, yay, fun stuff. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to make this one a short one. I've got a couple things I'm going to do here before I head off to the shower and try to get cleaned up for bed. Because, well, yeah, I need to be asleep by 2 o'clock so I can get up at 10 o'clock and go and do the evil Wing. WORK. I choose to do it because it's less painful than living under a bridge and eating out of trash cans. Yeah, I don't like that stress. I don't need to be under a bridge eating out of trash cans. My palate has well, it has better standards than trash cans. But hey, some people choose to live under bridges and eat out of trash cans. Not exactly my bright idea of a good thing, but hey, not my choice. Their problem. Folks who want to do what they want to do, well, do it. Just understand there's consequences for every choice, and you get to make all the choices. I really don't like when I hear people talking about how, oh, I never had a chance. Well, yes, you did. You could have chose something different. The whole 9 yards down the line. And yes, even when you've got a gun to your head, you can choose to fight. Might not be the best idea, but you can choose to fight. Yeah. Life happens. Everything's a choice. Quite honestly, somebody got a gun on me, I'm probably going to try to kill them anyway, because, well, they most likely going to kill me anyway. So, return the favor. That kind of thing. Just saying. But yeah, life goes on. Until it doesn't. We're not guaranteed anything past right now. That's why they call it the present. Yeah. The past is for, you learn from the past. As it happens, you learn, you try to improve and make the present better so that you'll have a better future, hopefully. Don't waste too much time wondering about what's the future. Live, and eventually it'll show up. And you get to go there. So, it is what it is. Anyway, I don't waste too much time worried about the future. I plan for it, and I pretty much I have tried to learn as much as I can from the past. And I've got to be pretty good at simply enjoying the present here. Because, yeah, like I said, no guarantees on anything past right now. You just never know when you're going to be driving down the road and a semi take you out. And you weren't even dancing in it. You were just driving down the road. I saw a video of a guy parked in the turn lane to take a left-hand turn, and he's parked on a motorcycle. And somebody comes in through the intersection, hits the car as it's coming past him, and the back end of this car comes over and hits him. Not a thing to do. He just got sideswiped and, was doing everything right. Sometimes things just go wrong even when it is right. Choices. Anyway, I've got pork chop. I just heard it ding. And this means I'm going to go feed myself and get some dishes done. Y'all have a good day and blessings. This is William from Williams, Philippines. And again, like and subscribe. And yes, thank you again, my subscribers, all 93 of you. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.